Hey guys, my name is Ian Chumba, and I took classes with First Ride Driving School with an instructor by his name called Roshan. To be honest, when I started the driving, I didn't know anything to do with driving, but he took me through all the steps of driving, including changing of lanes, three-point turn, visual checks, and how to hold the steering wheel and all that kind of thing. And the first time I attempted the exam, I was really successful. I did 5 classes with Roshan, and after that I just went for the exam, and straight up I got the driving license. I was so happy. I lacked what to express to. I just wanted to thank Roshan for what he did for me. He is a good guy. He's done all he could to make me pass the test, and I'm very happy. Today as I got my driving license, I was very happy, and I thank God for everything that he's done to me, and I really appreciate everything that Roshan has done to me towards getting this driving license. I'm so happy. I would like to recommend everyone out there, whoever has any difficulties with the driving of the car, let them come to Roshan. He'll take you through each and every step that you need to know in order to pass for the exam. The exam could be challenging, but when Roshan takes you through all that steps, you realize it was the easiest thing you've ever done in your life. So anyone out there who wants to pass their test 100%, go to First Ride Driving School and call Roshan. Yep. Thank you so much for your time. Okay, bye.
Thanks, man. Thanks for